Hi, my name is Keith Fountain, UE Sales Manager at Digital Wave Corporation in Denver, Colorado. Today we'll be talking about the UE5, our largest throughput machine and our biggest machine in the industry. The UE5 is our workhorse. This is for 4,000 plus cylinders a month at an absolute minimum. This allows us to take the fastest scans, pump through the most amount of cylinders in an hour, and really targeted towards those sites that have a large backload of cylinders or a large customer base that need as many cylinders as possible during the month. The UE5 is one of our initial machines with the 5-head technology, thus taking all 5 scans for the DOT in one single pass. It has a large submergible tank. It has a 10-cylinder load table for all your large steel cylinders. There's a monitor over there, so that way the tech can enter serial numbers, analyze data, and still load these cylinders from that side. At the same time, there's another monitor closer to the tank that allows you to sit there and watch when you're doing smaller cylinders and really putting these high throughput numbers. The overall working space really keeps it in front of you. 2 different types of cylinders can be tested on the UE5, and these are our aluminum 3AL and our steel 3A and 3AA cylinders. We can go anywhere from a height of 10 inches all the way up to 66 inches in height with valve. The other side of it is the outside diameter from 3.2 inches all the way up to 10.6. On the UE5, we have a universal shoe system for the bottom tailstock where the bottom of the cylinder clamps into our machine. There's a full range of shoes to be able to test any range of cylinder that you have. You know, another big part about it is our new updated software. We brought in a new programming team to make sure that your techs are spending less time calibrating the machine in and more time testing your cylinder. Another big thing about our UE5 is there's no valve removal, no product removal. We want to make sure that that cylinder is touched the least amount as possible. A big part of the UE5 that you'll hear all Digital Wave employees talk about is throughput. In order to maintain that highest throughput possible, we got to make sure that your techs have the most training possible. So with any type of UE5 package, there's a full 40-hour week of ASNT level 2 training to get your operators up to speed to be able to run the machine. But in addition to that, we use another full 40-hour week to make sure that your techs are optimizing this machine to its full capabilities. At that time, my techs come out there for that full week. They're the eyes in the sky. They make sure that they're a full backboard for your techs to bounce any questions or any type of operational issues off of. Once again, we want to make sure that this machine puts as many cylinders through there as possible. We want to make sure that your techs have the capabilities to do so. At Digital Wave, we run a full customer service team from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. These guys are here to help your machine, whether it's a small mechanical issue or you're just having trouble with calibrating it. Understand that we want you running as many cylinders on this as possible. So at the same time, I want to make sure my customer support team is there to help you at any time. So we're going to be there to help coach and refine your tech's training to make sure that they can keep that cylinder or those cylinders in and out of your machine as fast as possible.